as long as we have that knowledge that God gave us of our first father, how can we become racist?
Good question.
Huh?
Yes, good question.
That make us all descendants on equal terms. That concept that God has given us of the creation of the first person, you know, and it's better to say first person than to say first man. Now you all can bother me with that later if you want to, and I'm not talking to any particular one, but you know, now that everybody got the Quran and everybody on equal footing, you know, they don't tell me directly. I respect that. They still love Honorable Elijah Muhammad and me so much that they don't come to me right in my face. Every now and then I get a wild, crazy one like that, you know. He come right in my face. But Brother Imam, I disagree with you, and you shouldn't say so and so and so and so. But he's talking alone to me. He's afraid of the wrath of the people. He wait until he catch me out in the public somewhere alone, you know. But I tell him I'm never alone. I say I got an invisible security. His brothers hiding everywhere looking at me. There's no reason for us to come in any idea of racism. In fact, we would not come into these ideas if we stick to what God says, if we believe in religion, the religion. And this concept should be the concept for all the people of the book and for Muslims, Jews, Christians, and Muslims. It should be our concept because we have the same scriptural progression. We belong to the same scriptural progression. We have the same prophets. So we shouldn't have the problem. But we do. And it's not because of us, because of Satan. And the weak human beings that have ambitions in the world that they can't justify if they hold to what God gave them. So they have to create lies and try to make all of us believe it in order to work their thing. That's the problem. I just put it in simple terms. That's the natural man speaking. That excellent one he made, Adam. That's Adam speaking. Now, not Adam the prophet now. You know, don't get confused. I have to always check you. After a while, at Spookville, we be headed straight to Spookville. That's the common human, the excellence of the common man that God created, speaking in me, you know? And it speaks, that same speaks in all of us. Yes, so how this racism comes about, why we have this racism. What Allah says, directly and indirectly, to let us know what our excellence is. So one race is superior to another? How? Based upon what? What is the criteria? Allah gives us the criteria. And Muslims should never have a problem with any influence, not to say that belief, but any influence of racism. We shouldn't have the problem. If we do, it's because we are out of touch with what has been given for us in the Quran and in the life of our prophet.